piranhas, many.
Oh.
Under the water, Leo and Leo, the life ranger. So there's so many piranhas. Even here,
Are they dangerous?
Yeah, who?
The piranhas.
Yeah. Diba you know na?
Ano?
Na the piranhas are too...
What they can do? What can they do?
They are little predators, but they can eat meat, but only if the meat is dead.
But if it's alive, you cannot be eaten by piranhas.
It cannot be eaten when I'm alive. I cannot be eaten, but when I'm dead, I can be eaten.
Oh, that's cool.
Red belly piranhas also have sharp teeth. When they touch it, when the people touch in their mouth, they can bite it so tight, and they can lose their hand.
Really? I thought they are not
They
eating.
can like this na lang. Pew, pew, pew.
Only one.
They can just kagat. It can kagat like this, squeeze it, and then there's no more. Only this na lang.
The 3 fingers na lang.
Even this one.
So 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na lang.
Okay. Tell me about the leopards nga. Ano na nangyari sa leopards?
Are animals. They're also predators, but they're known as the snow leopards. There are many kinds of leopards. You know, monitor lizards. I also seen that in the octonauts, even in life rangers. The octonauts bring all of the animals to their home at South America. But
South America?
and when there's a thunderstorm, it can cause wildfires.
How can that be?
You know, a sucker my catfish, wild monitor lizard, and the eye is don't know from the octonauts, but it's big. I know that one. I already seen it from the tree. From the 4 octonauts called Junep, Sheliton, and Dashi. The 3 of them. I saw something following them. Something is following them. A big snake named a Burmese python. It's a Burmese python, really?
Yeah, Burmese python.
Are they fast swimmers?
I don't know.
Can they swim?
I don't know.
I think they can also swim. The 4th one, they chase the python. The Burmese python chase them. He only be quiet so the octonauts will not see him in their back. The Burmese python followed the 3 octonauts named Junep, Dashi, and Sheliton. Is a female.
So there's an egg.
Python. Yeah, Twig even see it. The rabbit that is an octonaut. Twig see python eggs. It's the mystery creature. It's the female. The mama is the mystery creature that is still lost. They're gonna take them to South America too, but they can't find it everywhere. But they only found is python eggs.
Oh, how many?
Quasi get it, but it hatched. And when there's a baby python, he got surprised. Then he say, "Wah!"
He was not bitten.
No. I think he's gonna say, "Shivering whiskers." Quasi is a cat.
Yeah.
Quasi is a cat
Yes.
that has a eye went like this. What's that called? The black one that has like that?
The whiskers?
No, the black one.
I don't know. I'll see later. You show me
The
later.
hat.
You show me
And the hat
later.
is the octopus, diba?
Mm-mm. The pink one.
Sandy is a turtle. He's the friend of Tweak. And Ranger Marsh is the dad of Tweak. He take care of Tweak when he's still a kid.
Okay.
Ranger Marsh.
Ranger. Who's Ranger Marsh?
The dad of Tweak.
Really?
Yeah.
The Twig is the one, diba? Rabbit in Octonauts.
Yeah. But Ranger Marsh is the dad.
The dad from Junior Rocky? Ay, yung kwan?
Ranger. You know what?